Hello, my wonderful English learners. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are unlocking a massive superpower for your English. Imagine you want to describe a beautiful sunset, a delicious meal, or a frustrating day, but you don't have the right words. That is why adjectives are so important. They add color to your language. In this video, I am going to give you 30 of the most common, everyday adjectives in English. I will explain them simply and give you an easy example for each one. If you stay until the very end, I have a special challenge that will help you remember these words forever. Grab a notebook, relax, and let's supercharge your vocabulary. Let's start with words we use to describe how we feel or what people are like. 1. Happy, feeling good or pleased. Example, she was very happy when she passed her English exam. 2. Sad feeling, unhappy or sorrowful. Example, the rainy weather makes me feel a little sad. 3. Tired, needing rest or sleep. Example, after working for 8 hours, I am so tired. 4. Angry feeling, strong displeasure or rage. Example, please don't be angry with me. It was an accident. 5. Kind, friendly, generous, and considerate. Example, my neighbor is very kind. He always helps me with my bags. 6. Brave, ready to face danger or pain. Showing courage. Example, the brave firefighter saved the little cat from the tree. 7. Smart, intelligent, or clever. Example, he is a smart student who always answers the questions correctly. 8. Friendly, behaving in a pleasant, kind way towards someone. Example, the people in the city are very warm and friendly. 9. Busy, having a lot of things to do. Example, I'm sorry, I can't talk right now. I am very busy. 10. Worried, anxious, or unhappy about problems or the future. Example, she is worried about her job interview tomorrow. Great job. Now let's move to adjectives we use to describe things around us, like places, food, or objects. 11. Big, large in size. Example, they live in a big house with a beautiful garden. 12. Small, little in size. Example, I bought a small laptop because it is easy to carry. 13. Clean, free from dirt or marks. Example, you must keep your bedroom clean and tidy. 14. Dirty, not clean, covered in dirt. Example, my shoes are dirty because it was muddy outside. 15. Hot, having a high temperature. Example, be careful, the coffee is very hot. 16. Cold, having a low temperature. Example, I love drinking cold water during the summer. 17. Expensive, costing a lot of money. Example, that smartphone is too expensive for me to buy. 18. Cheap, low in price. I cost in little money. Example, this restaurant is great because the food is delicious and cheap. 19. Delicious, highly pleasant to the taste. Very good food. Example, my mother made a delicious chocolate cake for my birthday. 20. Beautiful, very pleasing to the senses or mind. Example, Paris is a beautiful city, especially at night.
You are doing amazing! Let's look at the final 10 adjectives. These are general words you will hear every single day. 21. Easy, not difficult, simple. Example, learning English can be easy if you practice every day. 22. Difficult, hard to do, understand, or deal with. Example, the math exam was very difficult, but I tried my best. 23. Important, of great significance or value. Example, water is important for our health. 24. New, not existing before. Recently made or bought. Example, look at my new car. I just bought it yesterday. 25. Old, having lived or existed for a long time. Example, this is an old book, but the story is fantastic. 26. Fast-moving or capable of moving at high speed. Example, the sports car is incredibly fast. 27. Slow-moving or operating at a low speed. Example, the internet connection today is very slow. 28. Quiet, making very little noise. Example, please be quiet. The baby is sleeping. 29. Noisy, making a lot of loud or unpleasant noise. Example, the street outside my window is always noisy because of traffic. 30. Safe, not in danger or likely to be harmed. Example, always wear a seatbelt to stay safe in the car. And there you have it. 30 powerful adjectives that will immediately make your English sound more natural and interesting. Now here is your challenge for today. Look at this list. Choose one adjective and write a sentence using it in the comments below. I will read your comments and check your grammar. If you loved this lesson and want to keep learning with me, make sure to click that subscribe button right now. Turn on the notification bell and give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means the world to me and helps this channel grow. Thank you so much for watching. Stay dedicated, and I will see you in our next lesson. Goodbye.